we will guide you through how to change brightness Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Open the Layers panel by pressing the F7 key, or bring it forward if it is already grouped with other panels. Select the image layer you want to adjust, checking that the correct layer is highlighted before continuing. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer icon. Choose Brightness and Contrast from the menu that appears. Photoshop will create a new adjustment layer above the selected image layer, allowing you to change the appearance without permanently altering the original pixels. The Properties panel will open automatically and display the controls for the new adjustment. Drag the brightness slider to the right when you want to brighten the image and reveal a lighter overall result. Drag the same brightness slider to the left when you want to darken the image and reduce its overall light level. Adjust the contrast slider if needed, moving it higher for a stronger difference between light and dark areas or lower for a softer, flatter look. If you prefer an automatic starting point, optionally click Auto and let Photoshop analyze the image and control the brightness and contrast for you. If the document contains several layers and you want the adjustment to affect only the selected image layer, optionally enable the Clipping Mask option in the Properties panel. Click the Adjustment Layers icon in the Layers panel to hide and show the effect, making it easy to compare the edited image with the original appearance. If you want to refine the result later, double-click the Adjustment Layer thumbnail to reopen its Properties panel and move the sliders again. When you are satisfied, save the document as a PSD file so the image layer, adjustment layer, clipping setting, and slider values remain editable whenever you reopen the project.